Discussing how to calculate the running total. Okay, so the meaning running total meaning you should have one more column here. Okay, and the running total for this item would we can calculate like this one will come here, and the second row will be the sum of first and second. Okay, so let's delete this one, and this one is equal to this one plus this one. So meaning we are just want to calculate the running total. Okay, the running total meaning this one is calculating all these three you can see here. So right now it's not doing. Okay, so the running total sometime we need to forecast, okay, whether our goal is matching or not, we are our target is achieving or not. So the cumulative, basically we can say the cumulative the calculation over the time, over the certain time period. Okay, so this is today we are going to calculate in the Power Query how we can calculate this running total using Power Query YAM language. Okay, so let us delete this column and bring this data into the Power Query editor. Okay, so I have created this one as a table name is data. Okay, you can do here control T by selecting this all data, and you do control T, and then you can convert this data into table format. Okay, so now this data is ready to bring in the Power Query editor. So I'm clicking any of the cell into the table. I'm going to the data tab, and this one from table slash range, it will launch the Power Query editor. Okay, so here we have the two steps. One is the source step and the change type meaning it is detecting the data type automatically. Okay, so our goal is to calculate the running total. So what we are going to do, first thing, we can go to add column and add the index column. Okay, so I'm going to add one column, index column. Okay, starting from 1. So as you can see here, we have 10 rows and the index column has been created. Okay, so second thing what you have to do is you create another column. Okay, so here custom column, and name this as a running total. Okay, total amount. Now what you have to do is here you can see we need to bring this column here. Okay, this amount column here from this step, added step. Then from this column we need to apply the logic how we can calculate the running total. Okay, so here what you have to do is you bring this whole step, the added index steps, over this column. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to write here this one and put the double quote. Inside double quote you need to write the hats inside, and double quote, inside double quote you have to write added index. Okay, make sure you write correctly because Power Query is case sensitive. If you are writing upper and lower is not exactly same, it will throw the error. Okay, so I'm writing added space index. Okay, and click OK. So what we have done is we have brought this whole three column into this table, you can see here. Okay, so here we have three column, date, amount and index. Basically the whole table has been brought into single column here. Okay, from this we are going to work with the amount column, so we do not need the index and date. Okay, so again double click in this step, and at the end you have to write this open one bracket, this bracket. Okay, and take the amount. Okay, and click OK. So what is going to happen, we have the three column from added index step. From that three column we are going to fetch the amount column only, amount column data basically we needed. Okay, here in this case, so click OK. Now you can see here we got the list. Okay, meaning this all this column data is converted into list and shown here as a list. Okay, so you have basically the whole column data. This is whole column data from row number 1 until 10. It is converted into list and it is showing as a list form here. Okay, but in this case we cannot calculate the running total. So what we need to do is we need to select the from this row we need only this value, another row we need this two value, third rows we need three rows values. Okay, so what we need to do here? Okay, again double click in this one, and before this type another formula here, list dot first n. Okay, meaning we are going to take the first n value based on index column, meaning here if we are taking one, meaning it will take only the first value 845. If we are putting two, then it will give us the two value. So similar way what we need to do here, list the first n, open the bracket, our list is this one. Okay, this is the complete list, and the condition, okay, counter condition. So our counter condition will be the index. Okay, based on the index we need to import or we need to bring the value. Okay, so here if we have one index, first row will show one, meaning this value. If we have the index 2, meaning we need this both value. Okay, this is what we are going to do here. Okay, click OK. Now you can see here, based on the index it is showing us the value because we put the condition as a index value. Okay, now what you have to do is, now again double click in this step and write another formula, another m code, list.sum. Okay, list.sum, this is our list, and close at the end and click OK. Now you can see here it is giving us the running total. Okay, now go to home tab, close and load to. I'm going to load in the existing table here only and click OK. Now this is our running total. If you have in future, let's say you have one another date 11 2025 and the value, let's put here 500, and if you right click and refresh, this is automatically calculating. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. This is the logic I wanted to show you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share the link of the video. I will post many videos regarding M code, Excel, advanced Excel, programming, VBA and all. Okay, thank you, thanks.